All right, let's take a look at our Science Weekly Trailblazer. And the title here is Be Healthy. How can you stay healthy? Eat the right foods to have lots of energy, exercise your body to keep it strong, get plenty of sleep to feel rested and alert in school. It's so important. We even just had an assembly. We even just had an assembly about this not too long ago. So follow along with me. Have your issue of your studies weekly. Okay, I've just opened it. At the top it says, Be healthy. You should be active for about an hour every day. At school, you can have fun at recess and in PE. PE is physical education, phys ed. It's gym class. On weekends, you can play a sport or take a dance class. How do you get your exercise? And I wish we were together right now, guys, so we could talk about this. Your body needs to rest too. You should sleep for at least 10 hours every night. Try to get to bed and get up at the same time every day. Your muscles will be ready for exercise. Your brain will be ready for a great day at school. No one likes to be sick. You can help your body stay healthy. Wash your hands often. Not just now because of the coronavirus, but wash them even when there's no coronavirus. Don't share a glass or spoon with a friend. Get a checkup once a year. Doctors and nurses can help you get better if you are hurt or sick. Doctors and nurses can work in offices or in a hospital. Eating the right food is important. Healthy foods will give you energy. Fruits and vegetables give your body vitamins and minerals. You can get protein for strong muscles from lean meat and beans. Low-fat milk, cheese, and yogurt help keep your bones and teeth strong. Now look at the Look and Learn section on the right and look at that poster, the Choose My Plate poster we have. It's just like the one that we have in our classroom. My Plate shows us which foods to eat often and which foods to eat less often. Circle yes if the sentence is true. Circle no if it is not true. The red part of the plate stands for fruits. Okay, I'm sure you got this right. The answer is yes. You should eat more dairy than vegetables. Hmm. Look carefully at that green chart. The answer is no. How do we know? Because the vegetables part is bigger than the dairy part. Okay, now if you want to do the blue part here, this yogurt on a stick, you can do that. Ask mom or dad or somebody to help you. I want to look at the bottom part with you. So I'm going to show you a picture of yogurt. This is called Fage yogurt. It's my absolute favorite. It's Greek yogurt, but it's very popular here. And I've turned the cup a little to the side so we can look at some of the nutritional information. Now, some of this might be really confusing. And it's even more confusing when you look at the back. But this is all very important because this tells you what exactly your body will get if you eat this. Now, it's not in the picture here, but what it's showing you here is the weight. It says that one container is 170 grams. I'm going to circle that for you. That's about 6 ounces. It's a little, maybe a little bit more than the milk you have in your milk cartons in the cafeteria. And I think it's written on the front. I only know because I eat this stuff all the time. So when I fill this out, number one, how many ounces are in the container. For mine, I'm going to write 6. Now, if you have some yogurt at home, or if you did the yogurt activity, look around the package. You'll see it, and they have a funny way of abbreviating ounces. They'll do this. Okay, now, number 2. How many ounces are in one serving? Well, if you look at the cup, it says servings 1. And then it says serving size 1 container. I know that's a little difficult to see. And what this means is that one person should eat this entire cup of yogurt. And that's how much is inside. If you eat what's inside, you will get all the vitamins, all the minerals, all the things that are listed here. If you buy a really big container of yogurt, it might say 2 servings. So that means you shouldn't eat the whole thing right away. You should only eat half of it. If you buy ice cream, that might have 10 servings in it. So you should never eat an entire carton of ice cream. If you buy a pack of cookies, like Chips Ahoy or something like that, and if it says a serving size is 2 cookies, and there are 10 cookies in the pack, you shouldn't eat all 10 cookies. You should only eat the serving size, which is 2 cookies. So this tells you how much you should eat. If it says it's 1 serving size, 1 serving, you can eat everything that's in it. So how many ounces are in 1 serving? Well, this is going to be the same. 1 cup has 1 serving. Number 3, how many calories are in 1 serving? Now, the calories are also very important. It starts it over here and then it finishes it over there. Calories are kind of like fuel for your body. That's what gives your body energy. Now, if you have too many calories every day, your body can't use all of that energy and it turns it into fat. So you need to be careful. Maybe mom and dad are careful about this, about how many calories you have every day. If you have chicken nuggets and chocolate milk and lots of cookies, you're getting a lot of calories. You'd have to exercise a lot to use all of that fuel up. So you want to be careful. Maybe every day your mom, your dad, your doctor will tell you to have maybe 1,500 calories every day. That'll give you enough energy to get through school, through recess, and the other things that you want to do. So this one here has 90 calories. That's pretty good. That's pretty low for yogurt. So we've got 90 calories. Number 4, how many grams of fat are in 1 serving? Fat is a funny thing because some people think that all fat is bad. That's not true. Some fat is good, but you have to be careful how much of it you have. So I'm going to make some space here and find the fat. And if we look here, total fat, it says 0 grams. Okay, it doesn't mean it's bad. It just means I'm going to have to get my fat from some other food source. It's good to eat low-fat food, though. You don't want to have too much of it. So here I'm going to put 0G. Number 5, how many grams of calcium are in 1 serving? Well, let's see. It's a little hard to see, but actually calcium, we're kind of lucky. That's in a good spot. And there it is right there. I'm putting a box around it. So 200 mg stands for milligrams. That's smaller than a gram. So I'm going to put a 200 there. Calcium is so important. Okay. And then the last one, how many grams of protein are in one serving? And we're lucky here because it's really easy to find. Protein has 18 grams. So I've completed my nutritional information for my cup of yogurt. Can you do one for yours? I look forward to hearing what you have to say about it. See you later. Bye bye.